Good morning. My name is Dr. R.K. Agarwal. I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to see set miscellaneous question 4, 5 and 6. We start straight from the question 4 so that following 4 conditions are equivalent. Here it is given that A is subset of B, A minus B is phi, third is A union B is B, and fourth is A intersection B is A. Now we have to prove all 4 are equivalent. So we need to prove that 1 is equivalent to 2, 1 is equivalent to 3 and 1 is equivalent to 4. In that way we can prove all the 4 are equivalent. So taking 1, A is subset of B. Now take number 2, A minus B is phi. A minus B, let X belongs to A. X belongs to A. As A minus B is 0, X belongs to B also. ये जब A को बिलोंग करता है तो A माइनस B phi है तो B को भी बिलोंग करेगा, क्योंकि A की वैल्यू और B की वैल्यू A की वैल्यू के इसमें क्रॉस करेगा. जैसे B A is 1 and set B is 1 2, so A minus B is phi. So इसमें 1 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, phi हो जाएगा. So जब A को बिलोंग करता है X तो B को भी बिलोंग करेगा X. Therefore A is subset of B. So A is subset of B. So number 1 is proved. 1 is equivalent to 2 is equivalent to 1. Now number 2 is A is subset of B. We have to prove A union B is B is also A is subset of B. Now in this case, let X belongs to A, so X belongs to A union B also. क्योंकि जब A में बिलोंग करता है तो A union B में A भी रहेगा तो बिलोंग करेगा. Therefore X belongs to B also. So A is subset of B. So 3 is also equivalent to 1. अभी एग्जाम्पल देखें. A is 1, B is 1 and 2, A union B is 1 2, then it is equal to B. So A is subset of B. Now going to number 4, A intersection B is A. Now we have to prove that in this also A is subset of B. Let X belongs to A, and चूंकि A is intersection of B is equal to A given, so X belongs to B, so X also belongs to A. So once X belongs to A is taken by us, and then X belongs to B, because A intersection B is A, so A is subset of B. So fourth is equivalent to 1. Now we can see this. A is suppose 1, set B is 1 2, A intersection B is 1 is equal to A. The subset of B 1, 2 and 5. So it is A subset is 1. So this or A is subset of B. So this is how we have proved all the four anomalies together and say that this is equivalent. Thank you. Now we go to question number 5. Question number 5 says, so that if A is subset of B, then C minus B is subset of C minus A. Now given that A is subset of B and C minus B is subset of C minus A, we have to prove. And we assume let X belongs to C minus B. Once X belongs to C minus B, X also belongs to C but does not belong to B. And as A is subset of B, X does not belong to A. We see X belongs to C minus B X does not belong to B, X does not belong to A, but X belongs to C. X belongs to C. So therefore, X belongs to C minus A. So C minus B belongs to C minus A. Hence this is proved. Now we see numerically how this is possible. If you see A is equal to 1, set A is equal to 1, set B is equal to 1, 2, and set C is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now if you see C minus B will be 3. And then C minus A will be 2, 3. 2, 3. Now you can very well see C minus B is subset of C minus A. This proves the question. Thank you. Now coming to question number 6, it is written that power set A is equal to power set B, so that A is equal to B. हमें ये बताना है A और equal to B होता है. अभी हम assume करें A is 1, 2, then इसका power set क्या होगा? Power set होगा set 1, set 2, set 1, 2 and 5. This is power set. Now let X belongs to A. सो यदि पावर सेट को हम डोनेट करेंगे तो कैपिटल ए से बिलोंग्स टू पी ए. सो हम कैपिटल ए से और पी ए इज इक्वल टू पी बी. सो गिवन दैट पी ए इज इक्वल टू पी बी इज इक्वल टू पी बी. नाउ वंस पी एक्स इज इक्वल एक्स बिलोंग्स टू कैपिटल एक्स बिलोंग्स टू पी एंड कैपिटल एक्स बिलोंग्स टू PA and X belongs to A, so X belongs to B. Therefore, A is subset of B. This we have seen. This I will keep it separately. A is subset of B. A is subset of B. This I will mark as a equation 1. Now second is, suppose y is equal to, y belongs to B. So capital Y belongs to power B. And capital Y also belongs to power A, because power A is equal to power B. So small y belongs to A. Small y belongs to B, small y belongs to A. So we say B is subset of A. This we will write as a anomaly number 2. Now suppose you see, if you see A is subset of B and B is subset of A, this proves that A is equal to B. So this is how we have proved question number 6 also. Thank you. Good morning. We will see question number 7, 8, 9 and if possible question number 10 also. Question number 7 says, is it true that for any set A and B, power set A union power set B is equal to power set A union B? Justify your answer. अभी वो ठीक है तो भी जस्टिफाई करना है, गलत है तो भी करना है. तो पी ए पावर सेट ए क्या होगा? सपोज ए इज 1 एंड सेट बी इज 2, देन पावर सेट ए यूनियन पावर सेट बी विल बी power set A set 1, then 5, and then union power set B. पावर सेट B क्या होगा 2 एंड 5 दोबारा नहीं लिखेंगे. अभी दूसरा है पावर सेट A यूनियन B. इसको करने के लिए पहले A यूनियन B करते हैं. A यूनियन B करने के लिए क्या होगा? A है 1, सेट 1, then 5, then B 1, 5 and 2. This is, you can write 1 and 2. Then A union B power set will be 1, 2, set 1, set 2, set 1 and 2, and 5. This will form a power set. Now if you see equation number 1 and equation number 2, power set A union power set B is equal to 1, power set 1, power set 1, 5 and 2, and power set A union B is equal to set 1, set 2, set 1 and 2 and set 5. So this you see, if 1 is there, yes, 2 is there, yes, 5 is there, yes, but 1 and 2 is not there. So power set A union power set B is not equal to power set A union B. This is false. So you know very well that by writing this way we can make things clear and we can solve the question easily. Thank you.